Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'm going to walk you through, since you have been searching about how to create or open a domiciliary Kuda bank account, but in this video I'm going to tell you the fact and what you can actually get regarding Kuda domiciliary account. And there is one thing that I also wanted to know, is the fact that I prefer you opening a direct bank domiciliary account instead of this Kuda account, because you cannot get a dollar account with the Kuda domiciliary bank account. Instead of that, you only get pounds domiciliary account, and which is the only option which Kuda account get for now. And if you logged in, if you have already registered a Kuda bank account, you will see the option of open a GBP account. So that is what you are going to click on, which says spend and receive in pounds with ease. So once you click on it, you see the option where you can actually pick from, and you can see other options are disabled. Only the GBP account is only enabled, which means you can only create this account. And it stated that the minimum requirement for this kind of account is to have a valid UK address, as well as a selfie and a valid ID card, which will enable you to get an account of this type. So all you need to do is to make sure you have all these requirements available before you can actually open a bank account with Kuda, which is domiciliary account inside your Naira bank account. So you have to make sure you have all these requirements. And I feel like if you are in Nigerian, you might not have a valid UK address, which of course it will affect you opening an account on Kuda. So instead of that, you can literally open another banks, which are other banks like Zenith Bank, Access Bank. I understand the fact that their requirement is too much, and due to the fact that they also ask you to have at least probably $50 to $100 as a deposit into your fresh account before you can actually create an account. And some banks also make it more difficult, whereby they will ask you to provide 2 references before you can actually open an account with them, and that references are what people find so difficult to open an account. I have a FCMB bank account, which is domiciliary account that I use to receive payment in dollars, but then they only asked me to make a deposit of $50 to my bank account back then, and as of now they are requesting for $100 before you can open an account with the bank. And also same things go to other banks, which they are going to ask you to have at least $100, as well as 2 references who are running a domiciliary account or running a business account before you can have your own domiciliary account with them. I have an experience about Access Bank, because I have a friend who I used to send money to in dollars in Nigeria, and that person have an Access Bank domiciliary account. So I feel like it's more easier for me to open the same Access Bank, so that the transaction will be more easier for me. So then they asked me to provide 2 references. I was only able to provide 1 reference, and they said I have to make it 2 references before my account can get approved. So that is what disqualified me in opening Access domiciliary bank account. So instead of that, you can jump to this if you feel like will be cool for you, or you can try FCMB domiciliary account, and that is more easier. And also you can withdraw your money in dollars, withdraw dollars from FCMB, then you can change it from any exchanger or anywhere you want, and that is the best way. And with FCMB you cannot make a transfer from your bank on your mobile phone, or else you have to visit the bank. That is the disadvantage of the FCMB bank. So aside from that, you can actually enjoy the bank, and if you like to, or if you have a UK address, you can also proceed and get a Kuda Domiciliary account in pounds, so you can proceed with that. So this is all I have to tell you in this video, and because I've seen people trying to look around to see if possible to open Kuda dollar account, so you can check this out. I'm very sure this video will definitely help you in one way or the other, and also to let you know what you can actually get with the Kuda bank account or with the Kuda Domiciliary account. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.